Hello everyone, and welcome to Big Bang Discovery. Dear viewers, as of now, our beloved Earth remains the only known place in the universe that harbors life. In the quest to explore the cosmos, scientists have always been on the lookout for exoplanets with ideal conditions for life to thrive. And in this search, they have discovered a planet that might be even more habitable than Earth Ross 128b. Today, Big Bang Discovery invites you to unravel the mysteries of this fascinating exoplanet. Sit back, enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first to watch our latest content. Now, let's dive into this incredible journey. Are we truly alone in the universe? This question has fueled the relentless efforts of scientists as they scour the cosmos for answers. A major milestone in this search was reached in August 1995, when the first ever exoplanet outside our solar system was discovered 51 Pegasi b. Since then, over 4,000 exoplanets have been identified. Despite their diversity, none have been found to resemble Earth closely or provide similarly favorable conditions for life. But that hasn't stopped scientists. Day and night, they continue scanning the vastness of space with powerful telescopes, hoping to find worlds where life could exist. Their persistence has paid off, and one of the most promising discoveries is Ross 128b planet that, astonishingly, appears to be 1.35 times more likely to support life than Earth itself. So, what makes this planet so special? Let's break it down. Ross 128b orbits a star in the Virgo constellation. Located 11 light-years away from Earth, a significant distance in cosmic terms, equivalent to 104.5 trillion kilometers. Based on calculations, the planet has a mass of 8.361 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, roughly 1.4 times Earth's mass, and a radius of 7,010 kilometers, making it slightly larger than our home planet. Most exoplanets discovered so far have been massive gas giants, similar to Jupiter. However, Ross 128b stands out as a small, rocky planet with a remarkably mild and stable climate. On this planet, warm regions have temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, while the coldest areas, its polar regions, reach only minus 60 degrees Celsius, minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit. In contrast, Earth's temperatures range from a scorching 58 degrees Celsius, 136 degrees Fahrenheit, to an extreme low of negative 88 degrees Celsius, negative 126 degrees Fahrenheit. Given these conditions, scientists estimate that Ross 128b has a 1.35 times higher probability of supporting life than Earth. But does life actually exist there? For now, we don't have a definitive answer. Despite its relatively close distance of 11 light-years, current technology isn't advanced enough to analyze its atmosphere or surface composition. However, the discovery of Ross 128b has provided scientists with valuable data in the search for extraterrestrial life. Observations indicate that Ross 128b orbits very close to its parent star, just 0.0496 astronomical units away, about 7.39 million kilometers. This close proximity results in an incredibly short orbital period of just 9.9 Earth days. In other words, a year on Ross 128b lasts only 9.9 days. But there's more. Because Ross 128b is so close to its star, it receives 38% more radiation than Earth does from the Sun. If the planet lacks an atmosphere, this intense radiation could strip away its water, especially on the star-facing side. At present, we still don't know if Ross 128b has an atmosphere. If it does, It could help regulate temperatures and allow for the retention of liquid water, a key ingredient for life. Current technology is still limited when it comes to observing distant exoplanets like Ross 128b. However, astronomers are hopeful that the extremely large telescope, ELT, being built in La Silla, Chile, will change that. This telescope, the world's largest optical and infrared telescope, began construction in 2014 and is expected to feature a massive 39-meter primary mirror. Set to be operational in the coming years, the ELT will be a game-changer in the search for habitable exoplanets. As mentioned earlier, despite Ross 128b's close proximity to its star, its surface temperature is surprisingly mild. This is because its parent star, Ross 128, is a dim red dwarf, much cooler and less energetic than our Sun. Ross 128, first identified in 1926 by American astronomer Frank Elmore Ross, is classified as an M4 V-type red dwarf and is 17% the mass of the Sun, with a radius of 139,100 kilometers, about 20% of the Sun's radius. Its energy output is merely 0.036% of the Sun's total energy, and its surface temperature is estimated at 3,180 degrees Celsius, 5,756 degrees Fahrenheit, much cooler than the Sun's 5,778 degrees Celsius, 10,432 degrees Fahrenheit. Because Ross 128 emits so little energy, Ross 128b can orbit extremely close to it, while still maintaining a livable climate. Could this be a fortunate alignment of nature, creating an ideal environment for life? The discovery of Ross 128b has reignited hope in the search for extraterrestrial life. Are we alone in the universe? This is a question that still remains unanswered. What do you think? Could life exist on Ross 128b? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Today, Big Bang Discovery took you on a journey to explore Ross 128b, a planet that might be more habitable than Earth. Though it remains distant and challenging to study, we hope that with the advancement of powerful space telescopes, scientists will soon unveil its secrets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And now, your next adventure awaits. Click on another video to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe with Big Bang Discovery. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.